Hi, I'm Justin Harward with Hallaton. I'm the operations manager. We are out here at the Bel Air impoundment, which is located in Bel Air, Maryland, Harford County. It's a water storage facility for the town of Bel Air to use as potable water. We are installing a liner system to contain the water so there's no loss throughout their storage. The town of Bel Air is growing exponentially. There's a lot more residents, and the storage facility they had, which is located right back over here in the woods, doesn't store enough water for the town. So American Water Maryland has bought this property and is building this impoundment for a larger storage of water. Hallaton was hired by Alan Myers to install the liner system, which is bituminous liner. It's a new product that we are installing. This material is manufactured in France. There's only a select few jobs in the United States that it has been installed. Right now, Hallaton's the only installer on the East Coast that has done a project with this material. It's different from our everyday polyethylene liner. It has a high puncture and tear resistance. It's a 5-layer system. All 5 layers of this material are combined in just one layer of membrane. So it's 5 layers in one. It's a lot thicker and heavier duty. The welding process uses an open flame torch. It runs off a propane bottle. It's heating up the bottom layer and adhering it to the top layer of the material, and it's kind of like a tarish kind of material that squeezes out of it. It does take a lot more manpower to do a seam versus the wedge welding. The wedge welding, there's only one guy manning the wedge, where you have upwards of 3 or 4 guys working on a seam. One guy prepping, one guy torching, one guy rolling, and another guy just assisting moving the propane bottle and hoses around. The biggest difference with this material, there's an ultrasound test done on the seam. They apply material on there and you actually probe it, and it'll ultrasound the seam to make sure it's a continuous weld for the 8 inches wide, and you do that every 150 lineal meters. The manufacturers come out to our office a couple times to teach us, and the guys have done a tremendous job learning and putting everything they have learned into effect out here in the field. It's been a great learning experience, and the guys have really taken hold of it and ran with it. Biggest thing is Hallaton is helping the community provide a better resource of storage of the water. As the town grows, there's more need for water, and this is going to provide the community a lot more water to use.